Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money into your Etrade account. Funding your investment account is a straightforward process with several convenient options available. We will cover electronic transfers, which are often the quickest method, along with traditional wire transfers and depositing checks. Understanding each method helps you choose the best fit for your financial needs and timeline. Let's dive into the details of getting your funds ready for investing. Electronic funds transfers, commonly known as ACH, are a very popular and free method for moving money. You can easily link your external bank account to your Etrade account through their online platform. This process often involves Etrade sending 2 small deposits to your bank account for verification. Once linked, you can initiate transfers, which typically take 1 to 3 business days to fully process and become available for trading. Wire transfers are ideal for moving larger sums of money quickly, often completing on the same business day. However, they usually involve a fee, which can vary. For those preferring traditional methods, you can mail a personal check or a cashier's check directly to Etrade. Alternatively, mobile check deposit is available through the Etrade app, offering a convenient way to deposit funds using your smartphone camera. Check deposits typically clear in 2 to 5 business days. When transferring funds, be aware of any daily or transaction limits that may apply to your chosen method. Always verify your bank account details carefully to prevent delays or issues. While funds may appear in your account quickly, they might need to settle for a few business days before you can withdraw them. For the most current information on transfer options, fees, and processing times, always consult the official Etrade website or contact their customer service. Your financial security is paramount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.